Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a nice little cocktail called the Cardinal Sin. It starts off with a shot or 1.5 ounces of rum. I'm using Captain Morgan to be specific. Then you want a shot or 1.5 ounces of lemonade. This is a real easy drink. Absolutely anyone can make this. And finally, you want a shot or 1.5 ounces of sweet tea. Grab a stirrer and give this a little stir around. And that's it. You can garnish this with a maraschino cherry or a lime wedge. But that's the Cardinal Sin. Done. Oh, and the cocktail is absolutely delicious.